Hey guys, welcome back to Wordanova DIY. I'm Grissel and today I'll be teaching you how to paint a starry night sky using watercolors. First, let's start by painting a coat of water and then we start adding blue to make the clouds of the night sky. You need a lot of patience to do this part, but trust me, it's totally worth it. We then start making highlights using glue. We then use a darker shade of blue to add on to the highlights. Once the night sky is done, we let it dry and then we just spurt white from a brush. You can do this preferably by acrylic white paint, but if you don't have it, it's alright. You can use watercolors, but make sure it's a thick layer and not too watery. If big white drops fall on the paper, you can cover it using glue as I have done here. If your white dots are not too evident, you can use white directly from the brush to make dots without spurting the white paint on the paper. We have our beautiful night sky ready here, and now we'll be painting the trees. And it's done. If you liked our video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.